Hi there. Wait, that's not right. Hi, first name. Ooh, that's no good. Hi, Billy. Hi, Susie. Hi, Jen. Okay, maybe we've got it. Have you ever used personalization in your emails or your website pages? Have you ever had an issue with said personalization? Oh my God, what just happened? I can't believe it happened. I can't believe that just happened. When that happens, it's no good. Well, in this video, we're going to talk about how to set your default properties for your personalized tokens in HubSpot. So that just happened doesn't happen to you. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right. It's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video brought to you by that amazing team over at Impulse Creative. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and those inbound strategies to help your business grow, then guess what? You're in the right spot. Make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, let's go ahead and get into the good stuff. So when you're getting started with HubSpot and personalization, being able to use company and contact properties inside of your landing pages, your website pages, your emails, one of the things that you might forget to do is set your defaults. So we're going to show you exactly how to set those defaults in here. Of course, we are in the settings area of HubSpot. We got there by hitting the settings icon here. And we are, of course, in basic info. But what we want to do is, first of all, look at how to set the global defaults for personalization inside of HubSpot for those landing pages and website pages. So we're going to scroll all the way down to the left. We're going to hit websites. We're going to hit pages, and then we're going to see that there's a personalization tab right here. Under this personalization tab, you're going to see contact and company, and we can edit the defaults right here. So for instance, if we go contact and we hit edit defaults, what we can do is start to search for a property that we want to set a default for. In this case, we'll use first name. And we'll go ahead and select first name. And we'll see right now the default is hey, but you might make this friend. You might make it a whole lot of things. Again, these are your defaults depending on your brand voice. But what do you want to have there in case you don't have their first name or their company name? Think about things that'll work in a sentence if you don't have the actual personalization information that you're looking for. Pro tip, make sure your forms are actually asking for the things that you're going to use in your personalization. But moving on, we'll go ahead and close this. Now we can, of course, set the company default properties here. But what about your emails? It would be nice if it was all done right here, but in this case, we're going to have to go to marketing. We're going to have to go to email. And then once we get here, we're going to go to the configuration page and we'll be able to scroll down and we're going to see that there are contact property defaults and company property defaults. And again, if we hit edit defaults here and we do a search for first name, we're going to see that it's there. So notice they are different. If you set it in one place, you're going to need to set it in both places. And the cool thing is you can have it be different if you want to talk differently in email versus your pages. But make sure you've come in and set all of your default personalization properties inside your HubSpot Marketing Hub. So at the end of the day, make sure you set your defaults for emails as well as pages and think about the best way to connect with all your contacts, no matter if you have their first name or not. But pro tip, make sure you're getting their first name. Check all your forms and make sure at least first name is a required field. And you may even think about looking in your database for people that you don't know their first name and send them a simple survey, which then also asks their first name. Hey Sprocketeer, did you like this video? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for instant notifications and so we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Make sure you head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. It's been an absolute pleasure, but until next time when we meet in the next video, make sure you're focused on being happy, helpful, humble, and human. And as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.